say these are stinking cute. Hey beautiful, it is a brand new month, which means I have a brand new Stitch Fix to unbox. Now before I open it up, if you don't already know what Stitch Fix is a personal stylist subscription service. You take a style profile right on their website, and then you are assigned with a personal stylist who handpicks items to send to you based on your frequency. So you can pick how often you want to have a box full of personally styled items sent to you. Now, if you want more information, I have recently started doing these unboxing videos right here. I have one that goes in a lot more detail on the ins and outs of how Stitch Fix works. So if you want more information, I will link that in the description of this video for you to check out. But basically, in a nutshell, it is $20 for your stylist to put together a box full of goodies for you based on your profile. All your sizes and everything are taken into consideration, and then you try everything on and decide what you want to keep, and if there's anything you want to return, and the return packaging and everything prepaid is already included in the box for you. So that $20 for them to create the box gets applied towards any of the items that you want to keep. So that is Stitch Fix in a nutshell. I'm super excited to open up my February 2021 box. Let's see what we got. So what happens in every single fix that you get is you are given 5 items. Now again, based on your style profile and survey, you get to choose what type of items that they send to you. So you can pick clothing, shoes, and accessories. For me, I like to stick with just clothing and shoes. Now I don't get shoes in every single box, so in a lot of months it's 5 clothing items, and then some months I will get some shoes included in that as well, but you get to pick a mixture between clothing, shoes, and accessories. Everything that you need is included in your fix, like I said, including the already prepaid return shipping bag. So whatever you don't love and you want to send back, you just pop right in here, you send it back. And then they also include for you the pricing information and a styling card. So everything that they send comes with ideas on how you can style those items in particular, which I love because I find that super, super helpful. All right, so I'm already super excited because it looks like in this one I got some clothing and some shoes. I'm already kind of loving the color pattern here. So this is the clothing. Let's open this up. Oh my gosh, something in here feels soft. All right, let's check this out. So this is what felt soft. This is like almost like a silky sheer burgundy blouse. Does it have, I can't tell. Nope, it's fully sheer. I was trying to see if it was lined on the inside, but no, it does not look like it is. Is it? Am I being silly? I don't think it is. It may have tag attached to it. I just can't tell. No, I think it's just the way I'm holding it. But that is super cute. It's got almost like this detailing on the back, almost kind of like a ruching, just on like the shoulder area and just here on the front. It's really pretty. The only thing about this is I actually have a long sleeve silky blouse almost in this exact color, not from Stitch Fix, but if it wasn't for that, I probably would be all about keeping that. But I'll try it on, see. It does look similar to something I already have those, so more than likely I'm thinking I will probably return that. Now this, I'm very curious to see what this is. Oh, I think this is a cardigan. It is. It's a cardigan with a hood. This is cute. Striped open cardigan with a hood. Loving these colors for spring. It's a bit heavy, so I can tell it would be something that's really warm for the season. Ooh, and this looks fun. Again, it's a sheer blouse, but it's like a snake skin print. That looks like it'd be really fun. And then like a pair of nice dress pants. So definitely something you could wear into the office. In navy blue. It's got a very, very nice stretch to it. In fact, they are fully stretched. There's no zipper or buttons or anything on. It is a nice stretch pair of pants. Let's open the shoes. My last fix, this actually came from my last fix. They sent me the cutest pair of boots. I'll link that video in the description too if you want to check that out. But okay, these are stinking cute. These are stinking cute. Seriously. Animal print, flats. Look at that. So, so cute. I mean, when they do send me shoes, like I said, it wasn't every single fix, but when they do not disappoint. So my biggest thing with Stitch Fix is try everything on. They have sent me items. There is a pair of pants that I have. They're more of like a summertime pant. They are hot pink, and when I opened them, I thought there is no way. But then I tried them on, and I was like, wait a second. I actually like these. And I get so many compliments on those pants when I wear them. So my biggest thing with Stitch Fix, if you try it for yourself, is try everything on, because you may be pleasantly surprised with some of the items that you were a little unsure of just pulling it out of the box. But once you get it on, sometimes it actually works. And like I said, this is something that gets me to try on items that I normally would turn away from, and they actually work, and they're super cute, and I get tons of compliments on them. So I'm gonna go try everything on. Let's see how everything looks on. Okay, so like I said, Stitch Fix sends you a styling card that gives you ideas on how to style and what items to pair your items with. Now, the other thing that's included on your styling card is a letter from your stylist. So the letter that I got from my stylist this time says, "Hey Sarah, it's such an honor to get to style you again today. I was thrilled to see you enjoyed your last fix." I actually kept all 5 items in my very last fix. "And thank you for all your feedback. Hopefully we can have another home run this time. First, I pulled this Letty and Me cardigan because it made me think of the top pin on your Pinterest board." Which I wanted to mention, you can actually link your Pinterest board. You can create like a Stitch Fix Pinterest board or a clothing board, link it to your Stitch Fix profile, and then your stylist can see that, and they can handpick items that they think you'd like based on your Pinterest board. What do you think? Wear with a solid knit top and some denim for a full look. Next, I saw these tribal pants and wanted you to try them out. The fabrication will make a stretchy and comfortable pant. Lastly, I snagged these amazing Mia flats I thought you would love. These would pair well with the Mokai leather jacket you got in your last fix. That leather jacket was everything. Add some distressed black skinny jeans and a white knit top, also from the last fix, for a chic but edgy feel. Let me know what you think by leaving me your feedback when you check out. So I thought that was such a sweet note. It just goes to show you the detail that they do put into picking out your items, and I love that she was incorporating the items from the last fix to these items. So it's giving you more availability to create new styles and new outfits as you piece together items that you keep from fix to fix to fix. You just create more and more outfits, you just utilizing some of the same pieces. So the cardigan that she was referring to, which is similar to one that I guess I have on my Pinterest board, is this cardigan right here. So this is the Letty and Me open color block cardigan. So I do really like the colors on here. I think it would transition really nice into the spring season. I think it's super fun that it's got a hood. And then the price for this cardigan, if you were curious, is $48. All right, and then next is the Piper Smocking Detail Button Down Top in Burgundy, and this one is $68. And again, it's really beautiful. I love the color. It's got that like ruching detail that continues on similar length, like down the shoulder area. It's full sleeves. It's a beautiful color, beautiful top, but I have one that is almost the exact same. It is long sleeve, it is the same color. The only thing that's different about it is it doesn't have the detailing on the top. So for that reason, I don't really see a need to keep this one since I already have one that is basically the same, which is why I love the ease of the returnability that Stitch Fix offers. I can just pop it in the prepaid shipping bag and return it. So otherwise, I would definitely have kept this, but not really a need, I don't feel, when I have one that's almost the exact same. So the last three items were the Tribal Fia pull-on ankle pant in navy. The pants are 58, and the cut from the cloth Sinclair button-down top in gray, and that was also 68, so same price as the last button-down top that they sent. Oh, and also, of course, we cannot forget the adorable shoes, which are the Mia Aurora Fly Knit Flat, and the shoes are $49.99. So I paired the top and the pants together for one look. I thought they actually worked really well together because this is gray and not so black. I thought that it did pair really well with the navy pant. These pants are super comfortable, full stretch, no buttons, no anything, so they are very, very comfortable, very soft, almost have like a sheen to them type feeling, but again, soft, comfortable, stretchy. The top is super loose, lightweight. I did pair it with a white tank underneath because it was sheer, but again, it is sheer, super, super light, so you wouldn't get too hot in it. But yeah, I thought it was a super cute look. Again, one that I think would be great if you're like going into the office, paired with a cute pair of shoes. If you are new to Stitch Fix and you've never tried Stitch Fix before and you would like to, I actually have a link. I will put it also in the description of this video where you can get $25 off your first fix, which covers your styling fee. So basically you can have your first box sent to you completely risk-free. Again, I will link that in the description. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments what your favorite items were. If you are also a lover of Stitch Fix, I would love to hear that too, how long you've been utilizing Stitch Fix. I have been utilizing Stitch Fix for, I want to say, like 5 or 6 years now. It has been a long time love of mine. If you did like this unboxing video, be sure to like the video. If you want to see more videos just like this one, more Stitch Fix unboxing and try-ons, as well as more makeup and fashion and lifestyle videos, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.